Thank you for the committee and the moderator. This is abstract ID 69. My name is Eko Januari Wahyudi. I would like to present the work with the title Numerical Example to Estimate Groundwater Level Changes Using Time-Lapse Microgravity Data. This is the outline with several slides of introduction until summary. And this is the introduction. The study about groundwater level using gravity application is very common since 2000s, and from the literature we can find good correlation between the value of gravity change and the value of groundwater level change. Several publications we can see from 2011 until 2019. Mapping time-lapse microgravity to monitoring hydrology of lateral variation also very common to find in the literature. We can see the work from the Chapman in 2008 until Darmawan et al. In 2019. Understanding the integration of surface data with the subsurface data to estimate the changes of unknown time-lapse groundwater level can be very useful for long-term monitoring activity. Extending coverage to the area with surface data can be insightful for monitoring groundwater level in the subsurface. The purpose in this work, we would like to show the numerical example to estimate groundwater level changes using time-lapse microgravity data. The model will be constrained with subsurface data and surface data. Simple illustration with numerical example will be demonstrated using synthetic data and real data. This is the brief illustration. From the figure we can see vertical level respected to the ground survey of gravity data. This is the surface, and the second level is original groundwater level before extraction, and the third level is groundwater level after extraction, and the interval is volume of aquifer drain and the volume of aquifer storage that usually less than 30% in the porosity of the rocks. This is the illustration for vertical section we show in figure 2a. We have illustration of groundwater level data as constraint from the first survey, and the algorithm will estimate for the groundwater level in the second survey. Through input data for this calculation is time-lapse microgravity, and then surface topography and the groundwater level. Time-lapse microgravity data usually translated as density change in the subsurface and will be simplified in the calculation as subject to the source of groundwater level lowering and groundwater level increasing. The simple illustration, we can see the straightforward correlation between the positive anomaly with increasing area and the negative anomaly with the decreasing area. This is the illustration of interval aquifer changes. The illustration using rectangular prism in the subsurface represent the boundary of groundwater level changes, so the volume of aquifer storage can be estimated involving fluid substitution in the porosity of the rocks. And this is the equation. It's very common to use in iterative calculation of gravity data. This is the illustration of the output in the subsurface. We will see the groundwater level estimation plotted in the blue line with the good misfit between the calculated data and the observed data. This is the numerical example for line sections, relatively the same with the previous slides, and this is the illustration for map distribution. We can show the comparison between the observation data, calculated data, and then misfit data, groundwater level change, groundwater level in the elevation scale, topography, and interval aquifer changes. And after numerical example, using synthetic data, we applied the algorithm with real data in the plural recurrency. The area is about 25 kilometers square in Chiken district, and the area is related with the forest area in the eastern part, and the western part is area of villages and rice field or paddy field. This is the illustration of the hydrology survey in 2017, the interpolation map of the shallow groundwater level from the surface shown in the contour in the figure. Since the groundwater level in the second survey of gravity data in May 2016 are not available, we need to understand during 8 or 9 months hydrology variation can be highly differ in shallow groundwater, but this groundwater level data is the closest thing that we have, so we will use this data to perform the numerical example in this work. This is the timeless microgravity anomaly calculated using survey in the 2016 and 2014. The trend of the small rivers in the blue lines, plotted in the blue lines, correspond with the location of the timeless microgravity anomaly, which is we can see the color scale. Red scale is for positive anomaly and green scale is negative anomaly, and the white color is for small time-lapse microgravity changes in the range of -10 until +10 microgal. Okay, observing the timeless microgravity anomaly, we can see the indication of hydrological variation in the shallow groundwater is dominantly affected with the surface, with the water in the surface. Okay, this is the illustration of the numerical example. We see the comparison map, observation, calculation, misfit, and then groundwater level change, groundwater level in the elevation scale. This is topography and interval aquifer changes. The result of this work is shown in the figure 9. This is the comparison from the survey 2014 estimated with the algorithm, and this is the groundwater level in the 2016. Groundwater level changes during 20 months in the study area based on this work is in the range of ±7 meters. The depth of the groundwater level in 2014 estimated in the range 0 until 16.69, while in the 2016 in the range 1.09 until 12 meters. This is the comparison of the area of groundwater level decreasing or lowering, and this is for groundwater level increasing. For groundwater level decreasing, mostly located in the villages area with several parts in the forest area, and the groundwater level increasing we can see mostly in the forest area and rice fields or paddy fields, and then small part in the villages. This is the illustration if we show in the line section, south north line section. Okay, this is the summary. We have formulated the numerical example using iterative calculation of timeless microgravity data and subsurface data to estimate groundwater level changes. The groundwater level changes in the subsurface is simplified as increasing or decreasing using simple model in the fluid substitution of the homogeneous pore space. The algorithm is tested using synthetic data and then applied in real data from the survey in Chiken district plural recurrency. The iterative calculation using 20-month interval of timeless microgravity anomaly can we get the estimation with the variation in range from -7 until 7 meters from the groundwater level from second survey. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you.